Hey everyone, welcome to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to reset Coinzoom password on your Android device. Ensure that you have Coinzoom app installed in your device. If you haven't already, you can download it from Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, go ahead and open it. When you are inside the Coinzoom app, tap on Login. And now be careful, just don't enter your login PIN, fingerprint or face unlock. Tap on Create/forgot your login PIN. Now in the next page, tap on Forgot Password. You will need to provide your email that is associated with Coinzoom account. Enter your email and tap on Continue. You will receive an OTP code in your email. Open your email and find the code. You can see the OTP code in the latest email you have just received. Enter this code in your Coinzoom app and tap on Continue. You will be redirected to the page where you can set your new password. Enter your new password in the new password field. The password needs to be minimum 8 characters long and must contain one number, one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, and one special character. Make sure of these things. Now enter your new password again to verify it. And when you are ready, tap on Submit Change. Congratulations, you have successfully reset your password. Now you can log in with your new password that you have set recently. And that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Basics for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.